Hello, so we are going to do SAT practice test paper 4. We are going to see how many questions I can solve in 5 minutes. And this is the third video of the series, so you can go check the other videos. And in this one, we'll try to do it without any retakes. And I can take a little bit more time because I'll try to explain this to you also. We'll prioritize explanation rather than time. But anyways, I'll start the timer. You guys also grab your pens and see how many questions you can solve. So 5 minutes started. Question number 16. The function fx is equals to this. Now this models the value of dollar in a certain bank by the end of 1957. Where x is the number of years after 1957, we have to find, it's a statement that is given that fx is approximately equal to 243. Which of the following is the best interpretation of it? They have already given that fx is 243, so we don't need to calculate, but calculation was easy. Calculator is allowed 206 multiplied by 1.034 to the power 5. By calculator, you can check if it's coming as 243. But here, the value of the bank account is estimated to be approximately $5 greater in this. No, definitely not $5. It's an exponential function, so it won't increase by $5. Now the value of the bank account is estimated to be approximately 243 and 1962. This is what the statement is saying at least. So this should be correct because it's saying fx is equal to this. Fx will be the value of f after 5 years. 5 years from where? 1957. That would be 1962. So this should be the correct answer. You can try eliminating the other options also. But we'll go forward. We'll come back to this after the time limit is up. For a certain region, the ratio of length and breadth is 35 to 10. If the breadth of the rectangular region is increased by 7 units, how must the length be changed to maintain this ratio? So we know the ratio of these regions. It is 35 is to 10. So the ratio, we can take length as 35x. So the breadth will be equal to 10x. Now it's saying we still want the same ratio. 35 is to 10. But we are increasing the breadth by 7 units. So it was 10x initially. Now it's 10x plus 7. So we'll increase or decrease this by a number. Say we increase it by a. If it would be decreased, this will come in negative. So that's fine. So the ratio is still 35 upon 10. We'll cross multiply here. So 35 into 10x, that is 350x, plus 35 into 7, no need to multiply yet, is equals to 350x plus 10a. Now 350 and 350 are cancelled. So a is coming as, first of all, it's positive. Then it is 35 into 7 divided by 10. That is 24.5. Because it's coming as positive, it must be increased by 24.5 units to get the same ratio still. Now next question. Square P has side of length x inches. And square Q has a perimeter. So perimeter of the square Q is given. It's 176 inch greater than the perimeter of square P. Square P's perimeter will be 4x. That's the formula of perimeter, 4 into side. Now Q's perimeter is 176 inches more than this. So 4x plus 176. Which of these function gives the area of Q? For area we need side. Now perimeter is equals to 4 into side. So side of Q will be, we'll divide this 4x plus 176 divided by 4. So this would be x plus 176 by 4 is 44. Side is this, so area will be equal to side square. That is x plus 44 square. Simple as that. So x plus 44 square, that is A option. Now for the next one. Question 19. We have reached to module 1 question 19. All the other questions are done in the previous video. You can check those out also. So here 14x by 7y is equals to 2 under root w plus 19. We have to find the relation between x and y and w. Basically, we have to find w in terms of x and y. First, we'll have to whole square it because we want to remove this under root. So we'll get, and 14 and this will be cancelled. 14 upon 7x by y is basically 2x by y whole square is equals to 2 square 4 w plus 19. Just 30 more seconds. So 2x by y, this will divide 1 upon 4 and this will subtract minus 19 equals to w. This is whole square also, so 4 and this will be cancelled. This option should be correct. Okay, now the time is up. Now let me explain this question again because now the time is up so I can properly explain. We were able to do till question number 19. And where did we start it from? This one. So 1, 2, 3 and just 4. No problem. I hope you understand the questions that we solved. So now in this one, I'll explain this to you properly. First of all, 14 by 7 is basically 2x upon y is equal to 2 times under root w plus 19. We want to find the value of w in the terms of x and y. So we'll have to square it to remove this under root. So we'll get 4x square upon y square is equals to 4 times w plus 19. Now we can simply cancel out these two 4's. And now we have w plus 19 is equal to this. So therefore, w will be simply equal to x square upon y square minus 19. So this option C is correct. Please remember to subscribe also and check the playlist for the next videos.